welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to answer a very common front-end interview question. What problem does TypeScript solve compared to JavaScript? If you're already writing JavaScript, you might think, why should I even care about TypeScript? So let's break it down in a simple way, and I'll show you a quick example inside VS Code. All right, let's start with plain JavaScript. So here we have a simple greet function. It expects something called name, and then we call name to uppercase. Now look at this line. We are passing a number instead of a string. In JavaScript, this is totally allowed at compile time. The editor doesn't really complain. But when we actually run this code, it crashes because a number doesn't have two uppercase. So this is the main issue. With JavaScript, a lot of errors only show up at runtime when the user is already using the app. Now let's see how TypeScript fixes this. Here I'm doing the same thing, but notice this part. Now we are telling TypeScript that name must be a string. As soon as I write this, TypeScript gives me an error. It's basically saying, hey, this function expects a string, but you're passing a number. And this happens before we run the code. So we catch the bug early during development, not in production. This is the main problem TypeScript solves. It added type safety on top of JavaScript. But that's not the only benefit. When we use TypeScript, we also get better autocomplete. The editor knows the types, so it can suggest properties and methods more accurately. Easier refactoring. When we rename or change things, TypeScript tells us where something breaks. Clear function parameters. When you see the types, you immediately understand what kind of data is expected. Code becomes more self-documenting because types themselves act like documentation. So, if an interviewer asks you what problem does TypeScript solve compared to JavaScript, you can say something like, TypeScript solves lack of type safety in JavaScript. In JavaScript, many errors only show up at runtime, but with TypeScript, we can catch many of those errors at compile time. It also improves developer experience with better autocomplete, easier refactoring, and clearer, more self-documenting code. So overall, TypeScript helps us write safer and more maintainable code. Alright, that's it for this video. If this was helpful and you want more front-end interview questions explained in a simple way, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.